Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create shapes, how fill and stroke work, and how to customize them. Let's get started. To make a shape, head up to the toolbar and click and hold on the shape tool. You'll see options like rectangle, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon, and star tool. If you don't have a layer selected, it'll create a new shape layer. If a layer is selected, it'll make a mask instead. So always make sure nothing is selected if you want a separate shape. Next to the shape tool at the top, you'll see the fill and stroke options. Fill is the color inside the shape and stroke is the outline of the shape. You can set the fill type to solid, gradient, or none, and it's the same with the stroke. To change the color, just click the color box next to each one. Right next to the stroke color, you can adjust the stroke width, that's the thickness of your outline. So once you're happy with your settings, create the shape you want. If you have the star tool selected and you want more edges on your shape while still holding to create your object, press the up or down arrows to increase or decrease the amount of your edges. The same rule applies to the polygon tool. And if you want to round the corners even more, while holding, press the up or down arrows again to round the rectangle even more. If you open the shape layer drop down, you'll see a content section with your shape group. Inside, you'll find options for transform, stroke, and fill. Here you can tweak even more settings like fill opacity, gradient, angle, and color, stroke dashes or line caps, and transform controls like position, scale, and rotation, which are separate from the layer's main transform. If you draw another shape while the same shape layer is selected, they'll combine on the same layer. If you want it on a new layer, just click an empty spot in the timeline first, then draw your new shape. That way you can move and animate them separately. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.